welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look at home. Very simple and easy process. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching the video. Okay, so first off, we're going to mix the 40 volume developer and the quick blue from L'Oreal to bleach the hair. So I used 2 packs of the L'Oreal, and later on in the video you guys will see it wasn't enough, so I had to use my BW bleach to bleach the rest of the hair. So right now I'm just mixing everything together, the 40 volume developer and the quick blue from L'Oreal, and just make sure it's not too watery and it's not too thick. So yeah, and I'll start splitting the hair. So I started from the side, so I divided the hair in the middle because I wanted to wear it in the middle. So I did the middle part, and then I divided the hair in the back and I held it in a bun, and I started doing splitting everything on the side. So what I'm going to do is split it and then divide it into 3 and bleach the middle part. Okay, you guys will see what I mean. So also make sure you brush the hair before bleaching it, because if you bleach it without like detangling the hair, trust me, it's a mess and you don't want that. Okay, so now you guys can see I split the hair and into 3, and I'm taking the middle part, and that's the part I'm going to be bleaching. And so also you can use a foil paper. This is optional. I just wanted to speed the process, so you can use a foil paper to like make the process go faster. So, and once you're done with this side and you go to the next side, so if you bleached the middle side out of the 3, the top part will be the 2 sides on the left and the right. I'm not sure if I'm making sense, but I'll be showing you guys what I mean. So right here I'm just bleaching the middle part, and when you're bleaching it, make sure you comb through it so the product it's all in the hair, so yeah. Okay, so we're done with the first part, and now we're splitting the second part. So like I said previously, so to create the highlight effect, once you bleach the first part, which was the middle, now we're going to be bleaching the left and the right. That's what I meant before. So we're not going to be bleaching the middle, we're going to be bleaching the 2 sides on the corner. So it's going to create the highlight effect. Now if you want your wig to look more blonde, you could, like I said, you could divide it in smaller parts and then bleach more so it's more blonde. But because I wanted my wig to be black, like not black, but the black to be a little bit more prominent, not just all blonde, so I decided to split it in like big chunks so I could still see the black in my wig. Now if you wanted to do it different, that's how you would do it, and you will do this process throughout the wig, like throughout the hair. That's just what you'll be doing. This process is so simple. You just have to like split the hair, bleach the middle, the next one you're splitting, you bleach the side, the next one the middle, the next one the side. That's just what it is. That's just what it is, guys. It's very simple. And make sure before you do this, like I said, you detangle the hair and you make sure it's not tangled. Also guys, I forgot to mention this, please use some gloves because I didn't have gloves. Don't bleach your hair without some gloves on, okay? Don't do that. So I'm just going to be speeding the process because I already explained everything. It's just the same process all over, and I'll see you once we're about to wash the hair. so we're almost done bleaching the hair. I basically did the same process I previously showed you guys throughout the video, and I let the bleach sit on the wig for about 45 minutes. And now, depending on how light you want your wig to be, you can leave it for longer, but just make sure you keep you constantly check the color, you know, when it's in the foil, because it could go lighter without you knowing. So just make sure you constantly check the color on there, okay? And then once I let it sit for 45 minutes, I went ahead and washed the hair. I use this product. I use the neutralizing shampoo. I use it twice, and the purple shampoo to wash the hair. All right, so I wash the hair and I let it sit out overnight because I don't like blowing my hair when I'm done bleaching it, because already the bleach has a lot of chemicals, and I don't like using heat on the hair that much. You know I'm going to use a straight an iron, a curling iron or whatever, but I don't like to blow dry the hair, so I just let it stay overnight so it can dry. So once it dry, I decided to do some creams because I thought it would be cute with some creams, but you guys could flat iron it or do some curls, however you guys want to wear this. So I just went ahead and creamed the hair. So this cream iron is from Amazon. I'll leave the links below if you guys want to check it out. It was very affordable, okay? So this is basically what I'm doing. I'm just styling the hair. Also, guys, make sure you use a heat protector on the wig, because you guys just bleach the hair and we're using heat on it, so we don't like spoil the hair or anything like that. So yeah, I'll just fast forward everything and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I'm done styling and everything, okay? Okay, so this is what the hair looks like after I'm done styling and everything. This is so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you guys like this video, please make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.